Welcome back to See My Review, where we bring you the latest and greatest in unboxings and honest product reviews. Today, I'm super excited because we're unboxing one of the most talked about sneakers of the year, the Jordan 4 Retro Seafoam. Just look at this box. You know it's something special when it has that iconic Jumpman logo. Let's crack it open and take a closer look at what's inside as soon as you open the box. The fresh smell of new leather hits you, and wow! Just look at these beauties. The Seafoam colorway is clean and sharp. It's got that classic Jordan 4 silhouette, but with a refreshing twist. You'll instantly notice the crisp white leather upper that gives off a premium vibe, along with bold black accents that keep it grounded. Now let's talk about what makes this colorway unique. That pop of Seafoam green. You've got it on the eyelets, sock. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or fashion lover looking for high-quality footwear and trendy apparel, OBO Sneaker.com ** is a must-visit destination. This online store has built a reputation for offering a wide range of stylish sneakers, from classic must-haves to the latest releases. Whether you're into iconic brands or exclusive designs, OBO Sneaker ensures you get premium quality products without the hefty price tag. One of the standout features of this website is its affordable pricing. You don't have to break the bank to rock the freshest kicks. Plus, they prioritize authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing that every pair is crafted with top-tier materials and attention to detail. Shopping at OBO Sneaker.com is a hassle-free experience thanks to their secure payment methods, ensuring that your transactions are safe and smooth. Their fast shipping means you won't have to wait long to unbox your new favorites, making it perfect for sneakerheads eager to get their hands on the latest drops. And if you ever have questions or concerns, their excellent customer service is always ready to assist, providing a seamless and satisfying shopping journey. Whether you're a collector, a casual wearer, or someone who loves staying ahead of fashion trends, OBO Sneaker.com delivers on quality, affordability, and reliability. If you're looking for a go-to place for sneakers and fashion essentials, this site is definitely worth checking out. Liner, mudguard, and even the Jumpman logos on the tongue and heel. It's subtle but striking, the perfect mix if you want something that stands out without screaming for attention. The craftsmanship here is top tier. The leather feels sturdy yet soft. The stitching is clean, and everything feels solid. Jordan brand really delivered with this pair. Even the midsole has a great balance between structure and comfort.